nice airport. It's pretty cool. So our flight got delayed, but we got free lunch.
Yeah!
Yeah! Now we're gonna go to Korean Air. We made it on the plane.
Hey!
It's gonna be a long flight.
Yep.
Sleep the whole time. We made it to Korea.
대한민국.
Whatever that means. Survived the 11-hour flight.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
Yay, it's Dan.
Hey guys. All right, we're
Yay, we're reunited. Finally made it out in the city. We're above ground. Yeah, here's our place for the next 10 days. Check it out. Wow. Here's our little kitchen with snacks that Dan got us. With a stove and a washer.